I got this Toyota Altezza with the mighty 3SG beams in manual for $6,000 Australian. That makes it Australia's cheapest Altezza. In this video, I'll explain how I got it so cheap. So the big secret with this car is it was crashed. The chassis rail was untouched and the strut tower hadn't moved, but the front bar, bonnet, front guard, and this panel right here were all toast. I spent a few weeks collecting parts, and this is the result. I couldn't be happier. Let's take this thing for a drive, and I'll explain how I did it. I bought this car without even knowing how I would get it onto the trailer, as the front lower control arm and the caster arm were well bent. I purchased a position jack to help with moving it, and with my brother's help we were able to winch it onto the trailer. Getting it off was much easier. I just drove it up the driveway on the position jack into my shed. The first thing was to replace the lower arms and strip it to see how screwed I was. Luckily, it required only the one cut, which I got from a parts cart. I drilled out the spot welds and MIG welded the new panel in, seam sealed it with white Sikaflex, and then sprayed it with white base coat. I bolted all the second-hand panels on and checked the panel gaps, which only required small amounts of adjustment, and then I sprayed the panels in pearl white tube pack. Is it perfect? Well, no, but I am super happy with how it turned out. As an added benefit, I get to really enjoy this car guilt-free. Now this is a really nice part of the road, so I'll let the 3SG beams do the talking. That felt really good, just needs some development. So just in case it wasn't obvious, I am not a panel beater, but I am a guy with a welder and a grinder, and I kind of feel like I can do anything, even though I might be severely in over my head. But what's next for this beast? Well, I do have some overnight parts from Japan. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.